Yeah, we're gonna start the second show.
Like 2 seconds left.
I didn't know where they were. So, second show.
Hey, what? You want me to start overtime, Jimmy? Jimmy, you want me to start overtime or just let this run out? The 2 seconds?
What?
You want me to let the 2 seconds run out or go into overtime?
But when did it start in second show?
Okay.
When did it start in second show?
What's that?
When did it start in
It
second
wasn't a
show?
second show.
But they're going to second show.
There was 2 seconds left. She had him in half court still.
Well, then this is starting half court. It's starting half court. Okay. That's the brother, huh?
Make sure to go check out the snack bar, guys. They've got rentals,
Go, Ashley.
pizza, hot dogs, free dogs.
Break the grip, Jacob. Break that grip, Jacob. One on the collar, one on the elbow.
Lucas Sander! Coach Lucas Sander! That's easy.
Go, go, go. Leave it. Quick, quick. Lock it up. Lock in. Lock it up. Chance here. Lock in. Lock in. The other go. Let's go. Go, drive forward. Drive forward. Let's go. Drive forward. Hook the leg.
Push the hip, push the hip, push the hip, push the hip, Jacob. Yeah, go, 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 go.
Drive forward, Ash. You got it.
Go, push the hip, Jacob.
Connect your
Push the
hands, Ash.
hip.
Connect your hands.
Grab the hip, Jacob.
Connect your hands.
You can't do a takedown from there, Jacob. Push
Grab
the
the
hip.
hips.
Hip, Jacob.
Go, Ash. Go.
There you go.
Let's go.
Get your underhooks. Underhooks, try to swim in. Jacob. Jacob, swim in. Jacob, swim inside, Jacob. Put the hand inside.
Go, 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 go. You got it. Go, Ash. Go, go. There it is. You got it. Good job, Ashley.